Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer design to card landing pages step by step clearly. Open your card dashboard and log into your account. Select New Site to create a new landing page. Choose a blank template or a pre-made template that fits your design vision. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar to access various design components. Drag and drop a text element onto your canvas for your title or heading. In the settings, customize the font, size, and color to match your design. Next, add an image element by dragging it onto the page. Upload your design image or choose one from the media library. Adjust the size and position of the image to fit your layout. For additional visual interest, add a button element. Customize the button text, color, and link destination in the settings. Use the form element if you need to collect user information. Set up the input fields according to your requirements. Use the divider element to create spacing or separate sections. Adjust margins and padding through the settings for a cleaner look. For background options, click on the background settings in the right sidebar. Choose a color or image that complements your design. Preview your changes frequently to ensure everything looks as intended. Once you are satisfied, click on the Publish button at the top right. Choose a custom domain or use a card subdomain to publish your landing page. Finally, check the published site on multiple devices to ensure responsiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.